Hello everyone, my name is Hilda and welcome back for day 12 of Vlogmas. This means we're actually halfway because, well, sort of. The Nightmare Before Christmas calendar goes to 24. This one goes to 25, but we're sort of halfway. Yeah, let's see what we get. Today we get, I think it might be a blue? Shimmer and sheen. Good heavens. Oh well. So, yeah, Stargazer, there's a lot of blue shimmer in it. So I think it might be blue upon blue upon blue. Let's see. I am not particularly convinced. I'm kind of over the shimmer and the sheens by now, I must admit. I've kind of had it with them. Okay, that seems to be a super, super dark blue. It is super dark blue when I rinse my brush as well, so there's that. I think this might just be a classic mega dark blue with blue sheen and blue shimmer. In which case, I think I might actually use that for the upcoming blue portrait I want to do in school. Rather than Storm. It is definitely not the same blue as Storm. That is Storm. And this one is Stargazer. So they're definitely very different blues, which is something at least. Yeah. And I wouldn't compare it to Tempest either, because Tempest is... It's more like a blue-gray than an actual blue, but... You know, yeah. Let's do some art with it and see what happens. Thankfully, and I've been lucky with this so far, I would say. I have gotten only the round ones for shimmer and sheens. Because I prepped the entire drawing page beforehand, so I had absolutely no idea what I would be getting. But I think next Inkvent, I would not do that. I would just draw one every day and draw one that is actually suitable to the ink, because now we're just kind of guessing. And now for the Nightmare Before Christmas section of this video. Let's see who we get today. Is it Barrel? We're still missing a Boogie boy. Fingers crossed it is. I think it is. I think it is. From what I can see through the packaging, I think it is. And it is! It is Barrel! Yay! Now we have all three Boogie boys. All three Boogie boys. Yes! Woohoo! Day 12 conclusion! We have all the Boogie boys! Finally, we have Lock. Shock. Who does not really stand up well. Still does not stand up well. Ah, stay. And Barrel. Oh, I will insert a picture of them all standing up. You get the point, but yes, we finally have all three Boogie boys. And we have a very weird ink in Stargazer. I'm telling you, these shimmer and sheen inks are so not my jam. They really aren't. I mean, look. I mean, see my point? It's a blue when I swatched it, and then this happened. You get all the sheen and all the shimmer and none of the actual blue. So... it's not even very reliable to paint with it. You'd have to dilute it, hope for the best, and even then, I mean, there's very little blue that came out, even in the swatch. So this is the most disappointing of all the the painting inks, in my opinion. So yeah, if you write with it, you do get a blue with a burgundy sheen. I do not like this ink. It's a big miss for me. It's actually the one I dislike the most. I mean, when I was writing with it, I was like, I don't hate it, but it's not my fave. Hate is a strong word, but this is probably my least favorite of the inks so far, together with Raspberry Rose. I was not that hype about Raspberry Rose, and when I was writing with it, I was like kind of doubting between Yesterday's Party Time and Raspberry Rose, but I think I'm leaning towards Party Time over Raspberry Rose. Anyway, I digress, and I will link my Vlogmas playlist down below so you can look up yesterday's video and see what I'm babbling about, and look up the Raspberry Rose video as well, because I will definitely also link to separate videos and say what I'm unboxing ink-wise, so people can easily find it if they're looking for a specific color. But yeah, I love Barrel. I love Barrel. If it weren't for Barrel, today would be a bust, but Barrel has saved the day. Huzzah! Huzzah for the Boogie Boys. Boogie Boys to the rescue. Anyway, that's all I have to say about today's ink shenanigans. Leave a comment down below. What did you think about this ink? Do you like Barrel? Do you like the Boogie Boys? Just leave a comment if you feel like it. If you do leave a comment, please be kind. And if you've been enjoying my channel and this Vlogmas series, please subscribe. I will do more art videos in the future, and we still have, well, we're only halfway through on the Nightmare Before Christmas calendar, and not even halfway through on the Inkvent calendar, so we still have lots to go. Anyway, I will now stop rambling and waffling, and I will see you tomorrow for day 13. Will it be lucky 13? We'll see. I sure hope so. Bye-bye! You know, Barrel seriously know what's good. I mean, he has a lollipop, so he's really into his Halloween candy. Bet he gets loads of candy looking this cute. I mean, come on. I'm so stoked that I have all Boogie Boys now. I'm not even joking.